What's up, Flip fam? Welcome back to the Rip and Flip channel, where I like to open some boxes, rip some packs, and see if I could flip some cards for a decent profit. And today I have the 2020 Premier Draft. Was this hit blaster box? So this is the 2020 Low Series. I'm not too familiar with this Premier Draft box, but it looks like you can get 3 autograph in every box. Next level autograph cards, on card signature, randomly inserted. So basically, the main guys we're looking for is Joe Burrow, Tua, Jordan Love, maybe some decent wide receivers like Price, CeeDee Lamb, and I think it's Judy. But yeah, so 3 autographs in every box. That's pretty good. So hopefully hit some big name quarterbacks or up and coming quarterbacks. It'd be cool to hit a Tua, but Joe is also probably a good hit too. With the draft coming up, actually I think it's this Monday. No, this Thursday is actually a draft, which is weird because it's probably gonna be an online online draft for the NFL. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But let's get ripping. All right, let's go. It's pretty interesting. I've never seen this before. This blaster box. Found this at Target. They're $20 a box, like a normal blaster box. But yeah, let's see what we got. Not sure how much packs it comes. Oh, I see. So it's like, this is how it's packaged. Right here. Alright, let's open our first pack. I'm not too familiar with, these are all draft guys. I'm trying to think this thing. It's tough. Really? Come on. There we go. There we go. Alright. Let's see if I can get these names right. We got, what's this? Tevin Fester, running back. Shane Yalester, wide receiver. Sage Willis, linebacker. Christian Wilkerson, wide receiver. Jonathan Taylor, 5-star collegiate road record breaker. Let's see what it says in the back here. Taylor continued to be the FBS record throughout his career in Wisconsin before deciding to get to professional ranks. Alright. Then we got Malik Harrison, linebacker. We got next level Kyle Duggar, safety. Alright. We got Jordan Love here. I think he'd probably do good he's a pretty decent quarterback. Another Jonathan Taylor, running back. Next level. Brandon Edwards. And a next level, Zach Moss. And we got James Morgan, quarterback. Quarterback for who? FIU, Florida International. Okay. Alright, this one pack down. No Tua. And no Burrows yet. Let's see if we can get a Burrows. Okay, we got Sage Willis again. Jonathan Taylor. Another Jonathan Taylor. 5-star. A little different version. You got Zach Bond, linebacker. We got Riley Neal, quarterback from Vanderbilt. Check his stats. Not too bad. Then we got Ronell Perkins, safety. Another Jonathan Taylor, 5-star. Taylor made for next level. Dang, how many hits of Jonathan Taylor we're gonna get? We got Justin Jefferson, wide receiver. Darrington Evans, running back. A next level, Joe Burrow. There we go. All right. Let's put him here. We got Troy Dye, linebacker. Is that Oregon Ducks? I always dig the Oregon Ducks jerseys, man. They got Nike in Oregon. The campus is there, so they got all the craziest colorways and gear. Then we got DeAndre Swift, running back. And the next level, Lennon Bowden, wide receiver. No autographs yet. We're supposed to have 3 autographs in this blaster box. So, let's see. Oh, I see a tool. Alright. Javon Moore? I'm not sure who that is. Malik Harrison again. Another Jonathan Taylor 5-star card insert. And we got a Shane. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce his last name. Mason Cleansey. Raymond Callis, running back. Callis. Another next level, Kyle Duggar. DeAndre Swift. Lynn Bowden Jr. Kalijah Lipscomb, wide receiver. Next level, KJ Helmer. And we got Tua. Alright, 3 packs left. This should have, come on, where's those autos at? Got Kendall Futrell, Christian Wilkerson, Akeem Davis Gattier. What? Sewell Nilu. Dang, there's a running back. Let's see this guy. TCU, Texas Christian University. Alright. 6'3". Wow. We got Devon Hamilton, Terrell Burgess, Cam Akers. Next level, nice, Jerry Jeudy. That's a decent one right there. And we got a Harrison Bryant. Oh, CD Lamb. That's another one. That's another good. Let's get these wide receivers up here. Decent. And we got a James Morgan, quarterback for FIU. Let's put him down here, quarterbacks. Actually, next time we got here. And we got Brian Edwards. All right. So that was second to last pack. No autographs yet. So it should be in these pack or I'm screwed out of this box. Come on. All right, we got Carter Stanley, quarterback for what? For the Jayhawks. Kansas. Okay. Terrell Burgess. Javante Moffat. Safety. Kalik Hudson. Jonathan Taylor, 5-star insert. Mr. Dependable does it again. We got Zach Bond, linebacker. We got Next Level Bowden. CD Lamb again. Let's put him in here. DeAndre Swift. We got another Tua. Another Burrows. Okay. And John Hightower, wide receiver. All right, last pack. So I should get all 3 autographs in this box, or it's a dud. It's gonna suck. All right, Christian Wilkerson. Oh, this is a different one. It's like a gray parallel. Huh. Something different. Let's keep it on the side. And then we got another Jonathan Taylor insert. We got a gray parallel. Gray parallel of Carter Stanley. Oh, we got an autograph here. Darrington Evans. Oh shoot, I got a couple autographs. All right, let's do it this way. Oh wait. All right, let's see how I'm gonna do this. All right, you know what? Just flip it. Oh, nice on card. Darrington Evans. No idea who this guy is, but let's see. Appalachian State. 5'11". Okay. And next up we got Ben Bredeson, offensive line. Oh, offensive. Wait, 6'5". $155 out of 200. Series? Is it numbered? No way. What? Okay, all right. And last but not least, the last autograph is Sage Lewis, linebacker from Florida International. Let's see what we got here. What's wrong with his face? Oh, it's just... Alright. Okay, that's our 3 autograph hits. It wasn't a Joe Burrow or Tua, but we'll see what we can get for that. James Morgan. Another Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow's next level. Justin Jefferson. And KJ Hammerlin. Next level. Alright. So it looks like these are the 3 autograph hits. This one is actually numbered. 155 out of 200. So we got an offensive lineman, a linebacker, and a running back. Alright guys, that's it for this premier draft. Is it Sage? Blaster box rip. Not too sure what the flips that I have, but I'll look it up. See if I can find any comps on it. But not a bad box. Not really exciting. I mean, it is a draft. College guys coming in. So who knows? Maybe one of these players I called out might be some all-star in this coming draft or this season. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, just go ahead and comment, like this video, subscribe to this channel. I'll be making more of these rips, and probably post up some comps. I'm not sure if I'll do it for this video. This seems pretty limited on solds or comps I can find, but I'll definitely look it up. Sage Willis, Ben Bryson, and Darrellton Evans. Alright guys, see you guys on the flip side. Peace out.